Hello everyone, this is SignVector241 here. Thank you all for the support and for reaching 500 subscribers. I enjoy making these tutorials and sharing my knowledge with you all, and we'll see if we can reach 1,000 subscribers. But for now, I am grateful for 500 subscribers and the support you all have given me. So as you all know, I am more of an add-ons technical expert for Bedrock Edition. And one night in bed, I was thinking, I don't know much about Redstone. So this has been bothering me for quite some time. And in the end, I decided to learn Redstone. And this is how far I've come. So, in the past 6 days, I have basically been following tutorials from Matt.Wings. I'll be sharing the link in the description below for the tutorials. But this is my knowledge of Redstone currently. Logical Redstone basically. So as you can see, I have a binary to decimal converter. So if we have that, we have 6. And of course we have an XY plotter, which you can draw on everything. And big screens or displays, which is actually quite simple if you make it 2 by 2 each pixel. And of course we have RAM. But when I was actually building this world, this actually gave me an idea to start my own Redstone tutorial for Bedrock Edition channel on YouTube. I've also had the same idea for Bedrock Commands, which I will also be opening a channel for that. But comment your ideas and thoughts down below, and we'll move on with the rest of the video. So the next thing I wanted to show you is an extension that I've been working on, but due to some bugs I haven't been able to work on it recently, but I'll just show you anyways. So as you can see on the left hand side, we have this tab called Simple Tools. If we click on it, we've got a couple of tools as it says in its name. So I'll explain what each one does, or each button does, but they don't work currently because of course as I said it before, we've got a couple of bugs, but I guess the devs will fix that soon. So first of all, we have the loop tool, which you can create your own loops, and you can loop through a list or loop to a number or loop a number of times, and of course you can modify the output result, but that's the general idea of it. The ID generator is, it will just generate a UUID for you, or you can create your own ID generator, which specifies the number of characters that you want, and of course which characters to use. The JSON raw text generator is used for the title raw and the tell raw commands, which is quite difficult to memorize, but that's the general idea of it. The game test UI generator is just generates a UI visually, so you actually have a screen up here, and it will just, you can just basically add and remove buttons. The render offset corrector is a corrector for the item, or specifically the item icon, because if the item is too big, or like you have a huge item, it will just be, it will just correct it. Next we have the structure viewer, which will allow you to view a structure, but unfortunately not in 3D view, because I will be doing this in 2D and making it interactable so you can actually edit it. Specifically, this will only open MC structure files with the current project you have open. So that's the basic idea of it. The selector generator is for basically what you see on your screen right now, and the FAQ troubleshooter will just fix your add-on for the most frequently asked questions. For example, your item cannot give effects to entities. It will actually just check if you have specific components and specific targets, and it will just come back to you and say if you say the problems and whether you want to fix it or not. Basically, that's all it does. So yeah, that is all of the ideas I have currently. I might be adding more later, but comment any ideas you have if you want to see more or your idea in here. So that's it for this extension. As you all know, the Minecraft documentation, which is also made by me, got broken, but recently I've just fixed it, so now it all works. Unfortunately, you can't actually open two of these, which I don't know why, but it works. Yeah, it works. So to actually update it, you just go to the extensions, and then you just go to installed, if you even have the extension installed, and then you can just press update here. But yeah, it's fixed. So let's move on with the rest of the video. So the last thing I wanted to show you was I actually have a private Discord server, or private public Discord server, which is of course managed by me and a couple of my friends. So as you can see, it's not very active right now, but I will be sort of changing this soon, so you can actually ask add-on questions here, and I will also be opening an SMP, and I will be leaving the IP in here, of course, as well as the application process, which I have to code the bot for. I haven't set it up yet, but I will be getting there. So if you want to join, I'll be leaving the link in the description below. So if you want to join, you can join. So again, thank you all for the 500 subscribers, and comment your ideas and thoughts down below for what I just showed you, and the extensions and all of those things, and I will see you in the next video. So bye for now, and stay great!